Namaste friends, welcome back to Ganway channel. Today we are talking about the new series of sovereign gold bond. Is it better than FD, digital gold, ETFs or gold mutual funds? We will try to give you all the answers. Please stay with us till end. This video we have created as part of our research and analysis does not mean any recommendation. When we talk about the gold investment options, there is physical holding of the gold. Then in digital formats, you have many options. Few are like ETFs or gold mutual funds, and few options are like holding in terms of bond. If we talk about historical price graph of the 10-gram gold since 1970, in this last 50 years, you can see gold has given very good returns historically. So that is one of the justifications why people tend to invest in gold. Sovereign gold bonds are offered by Government of India, issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of government. Almost every month you will get issue which will be open for 5 days, and this is considered to be safe investment because this is guaranteed by Government of India. In sovereign gold bonds, there is no physical gold involved at the time of purchase or the redemption. You will get the purchase price near about the market rate at the time of purchase as well as the maturity. You will get every year interest of 2.5% per annum. This is a straightforward interest, no compounding. So you will get 1.25% every 6 months on the investment amount. Retail investors will get discount of 50 rupees when you purchase online. There is no GST, so you will save 3% here. There is no expense ratio. You will save money on this one, like unlike the mutual funds. There are no other hidden charges like making charges in gold. Demat position is possible, so this is safe to handle. This can be transferred to anyone else as well. Also, you can get loan in case you need in between. There is no TDS on the income you have generated. You need to hold it for 8 years for maturity, but you have option to redeem with RBI or RBI related agencies after the 5th year. In case you want to trade even before, you can do the trading on BSE or NSE. Visited the channel for the first time, request you to please subscribe, like, share with your friends. For getting notifications, press bell icon. What are the purchase options? You can purchase this online, so that will be paperless. You will not get any paper as a holding document, and there you can get discount of 50 rupees per gram. You can buy in through the Demat account also. In offline mode, you can buy from bank, post office, stock holding agencies, or even in stock exchanges. PAN is mandatory while you purchase. In case you are purchasing with cash, you can buy maximum up to 20,000 rupees. What about income tax implications? So on interest income, there will not be any TDS, but this will be added to your income and you need to pay income tax accordingly. For individual, on terms of maturity redemption, there is no income tax on this one. If you redeem with RBI policies, there is no tax involved in this one for individuals. In case you sell on exchange, then there is a capital gain involvement. Up to 3 years you will pay short-term capital gain. More than 3 years you will pay long-term capital gain after indexation. If you transfer it to someone else, then you need to pay either STCG or LTCG based on the duration. Next upcoming dates for the SGB bonds are given in front of your screen. So there is one issue currently going from November, December, then January and Feb, March. In case you do not want to buy in SGB or you missed this chance, you have some other mutual fund options also. In multi-asset mutual funds, you will get advantage of equity, debt and gold in the same fund. And there are one video available on the channel for the top 3 multi-asset mutual funds. Please take a look at the iCard or the description box to get this video link. Gyanveda has many such videos on investment, mutual fund, stocks, IPO, insurance, income tax and so many things. So please subscribe, like, share with your friends, press bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. In case you have any suggestions, any questions or want to have any videos specifically on investment, please mention in the comment box, so we will try to get answers with new videos for your questions. Till then, happy investing. Thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.